Hello everybody, Monkey Swag here, and today you're going to be learning how to make your very first Bukkit plugin. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, you're going to want to get a craft Bukkit build. I'm personally going to use the beta build 1.7.2, but you can use any one you want. Now you're also going to need Eclipse, so you're going to download the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. And guys, I am going to be expecting you to know the basics of Java. I'm not going to explain basic things that you should already know. Alright, so after you get Eclipse, you're going to want to open it up. And yours is going to look very different. I have it's called Obsidian, a theme. So yours is going to be white, mine is like black. It's got a pretty cool theme. But anyways, let's get started. You're going to go to File, New, Java Project. I'm going to name this Tutorial. Now inside this tutorial, in the source folder, you're going to want to make a package. Do me.yourname, actually, you know what, no. Your name goes there, .tutorial. Alright, so inside this package, we're going to create a new class. Oh wait, no, not another package, new class, tutorial. Alright, so first of all, you're going to want to click on your tutorial project, right-click it, properties, then go to Java build path. You're going to want to add external jars, and then find your craft Bukkit build that I told you to download. Click on it and open it. Now you have all of the Bukkit methods implemented, so let's go ahead and do extends Java plugin. And now you're going to see it's like red. You're going to want to hover over it and click on import. However, a very useful tip is instead of having to hover over everything that you import, is clicking Control-Shift-O, and it's going to import everything. In Mac, I'm pretty sure it's Command-Shift-O, but anyways, let's move on. Alright, so in the console, whenever you start a plugin, it's going to send out a message by default saying your plugin name, version loaded. But let's do a little method that's going to help us send a custom message whenever we load our plugin. So we're going to do public void on enable, and here we're going to do system.out.println with parameters. We're going to put println. Let's do tutorial loaded with capitals, just because we can. Alright, sorry about that guys, had a little distraction there, but let's go ahead and create a command now. You're going to do public boolean because it's going to return a true or false statement on command. And we're going to give it some parameters. We're going to do command sender, command cmd, string, command label, string array args. Alright, let me explain a little bit what all of this does. You're going to want to import everything, but as I said, a way faster way to import all of this is Control-Shift-O. You're going to want to import it from Bukkit. And you're going to see that it's a huge red line. That's because we got to return a true or false statement. Either true return statement, and let's do this true. Alright, so command sender. We're doing the command sender, make just like putting it as a sender so that we, you know what, this is all going to make sense in a bit. Let me just continue on. So our command is going to be /hi. And it's going to say hello back, but in color green. And I'm going to show you how to add colors and how to send players a message. Alright, so first of all, we got to make sure that the sender, the person sending this, is not console, because we don't want console doing this command. So we're going to do a check if not, exclamation mark. You should already know that means not. If not sender is an instance of a player, then we're going to do, oh wait, sorry, this is capitalized, it should not be, there we go, and import player. if sender is not an instance of player, sender dot send message players can only players can execute this command. Sorry about my dog, guys. It may be a little bit annoying, but yeah. Alright, so we're also gonna add a return statement here because we want the code to stop. Return true. Alright, so now let's do you're gonna want to add a variable to player. So player p is equal to player sender. Alright, that's cool. So we just did something called casting. We casted player to be p so that we can just do p.getLocation, p.sendMessage, do a bunch of p methods. We can do all of this kind of stuff, but we're going to get into some of the more advanced stuff later. For now, we're just going to send them a message. So now let's do if cmd.getName.equals ignore case. Let's do it hi. Alright. So if the command, the name of the command equals ignore case. So this means that they could do /hi, /hi, /hi. Doesn't matter the case, we can still do it. So if they do /hi, p.sendMessage, and we're gonna add a chat color. Normally you would do chat color.green plus then whatever your message is, which is gonna be hello in this instance. However, this is long, boring, and you don't want to have it. How I personally add chat colors to things is I click Control-2-1, and then we're going to get a, oh wait, give me a sec. I'm sorry, it's Alt-2-1, and we're going to get this. This, my friends, is something that will make chat colors be way easier. So as you can see, we can just delete this chat color import. Sorry about my dog again, guys. Alright, so you gotta know your colored codes. If you do not know your colored codes, go with chat color dot and then the name of the color. But since I personally know my colored codes and I know that green is chat color dot A, I mean not chat color dot A, is A. So this is gonna make this message, the hello message, be light green. Alright, that's cool, and we're going to add a, actually we're not going to add return true. Alright, so now you're going to want to make, oh, sorry about that. You're going to want to click on the source folder and make a new file. Every single plugin is going to have a plugin.yml, so let's land this plugin.yml. Every single plugin is going to have it, alright. You can add a bunch of things to this plugin.yml, but the only things that it really needs is a name, a version, a main, and finally a description. Alright. So, oh, and also we're going to register the command. But first of all, let's do this. Name tutorial. Version 1.0. The main. Main means the class that, sorry, the class that extends Java plugin. Right now we're just into one class, so our main class is going to be inside the package of me.monkeyswag.tutorial and then .tutorial. Because the package, the class that extends Java plugin is inside this package. So we're going to do me.monkey_swag.tutorial.tutorial. Alright, and the description, you could make a really detailed description, but I'm just going to do tutorial. Yay, and exclamation mark. Alright, so now you're going to want to register your commands. Here, we're going to do commands. Then you want to click space 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Then this command is going to be hi. Sorry, guys. Then after you click enter, you're going to want to click space twice, and then the description of this command is use this to send the player a hello message. Alright, that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and export this plugin. Next. Alright, so you're going to want to export it where your test server is at. And let's call this tutorial. There we go. Alright, so let's go in the game. I'm in the game now and reload. And our plugin is loaded right there, tutorial. So let's try to do our command /hi. And it says hello, as you can see there. Alright guys, so you just made a successful plugin. Wait, we gotta check if it did say tutorial loaded. It probably did. Let's just do that. Where is it? Tutorial. There we go. Tutorial loaded right there. As you can see, everything worked fine, and guys, you just made your very first Java plugin. I mean, not your first Java, your first Bukkit plugin. Alright guys, so comment with whatever you want me to teach you next. I already have a list of things that I will put in the description. I might update the list of things which I want to teach you guys. But anyways, that was your very first Bukkit tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time.